Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is fashion? Fashion is the style of clothes people like to wear. It changes with time and trends. Why do people like fashion? People like fashion because it helps them look good. It also shows their personality. Do you like fashion? Yes, I like fashion. I enjoy wearing neat and comfortable clothes. What kind of clothes do you like to wear? I like simple and comfortable clothes. I prefer casual wear. Is fashion important in daily life? Yes, fashion is important. It helps us feel confident. Do you follow fashion trends? No, I do not follow trends strictly. I wear what suits me. Who influences your fashion style? My friends influence my fashion style. Sometimes I get ideas from movies. Do you like traditional or modern clothes? I like both traditional and modern clothes. I wear them on different occasions. Is fashion expensive? Fashion can be expensive, but it is not always costly. Simple clothes can also be stylish. What is more important, fashion or comfort? Comfort is more important than fashion. Comfortable clothes make us feel relaxed. Great job, everyone! You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.